Hello everyone, Ben Kelly from Ballarat Health Services. This week Ballarat's witnessed the very real impacts of coronavirus in our community, with 4 patients in the base hospital and one of those in a serious condition in our intensive care at the time of recording this video. As was reported in the media this week, coronavirus was detected in aged care in Ballarat, and we've worked quickly to implement infection control protocols. As part of this, all residents and staff who came in contact with the initial positive case have been tested twice and will be tested again in accordance with those protocols. We'd like to thank the staff across aged care for how hard they've worked to contain the infection and support our residents through the infection control processes. We've also been working to support the Department of Health and Human Services, leading contact tracing from the first detection of COVID-19 to protect the Ballarat community. We're currently making daily contact with more than 100 people in our community who are in isolation as they've been identified as close contacts with positive cases. This is not confined to people within the Ballarat local government area. We're providing care for people who need it at home where possible. We're very proud to support the Department of Health and Human Services in this contact tracing. It's for the benefit of our community. We're very concerned by the data that the Premier released earlier this week, showing that 9 out of 10 people are not getting tested as quickly as they can when they start to show symptoms of COVID-19. The data showed that people are not doing the right thing and staying home when they have symptoms, even after they've been tested. So really the message can't be clearer. If you're showing symptoms of coronavirus, even the mildest of symptoms, you must stay home until you can be tested, and you must return home immediately following your test and stay there until you receive your results. So as the Premier said, it means no quick stop at the supermarket for supplies, no ducking out for a quick coffee, no having friends over for dinner. If you need supplies, try and order them online if you can for delivery, or ask a family member or friend to drop them off at your doorstep. And of course, if there's a medical emergency, call 000. Whilst this is inconvenient, no one wants to be the source of the spreading of this virus. It's important to note that Ballarat's now on par with the number of active cases that Mitchellshire had when stage 3 lockdown was implemented in that area. Now's the time to ensure that we're all being aware of our surroundings and actively working to protect ourselves by maintaining that very, very important 1.5 metre physical distance, wearing a mask when we can't maintain this distance, practicing hand hygiene, and when coughing or sneezing, do so into your elbows. And above all else, stay home. Book a test if you're showing even the slightest of symptoms. Thank you, everyone. Have a great weekend. Stay safe.